Sound test. All right. Hey guys, welcome to another Cypher Studio channel. And today I have a couple of unboxing. I have just been piling up stuff, trying to save up some money and get some, accessories and stuff like that. I just want to talk to you about something that happened between the new year, like January 1st and now. And it's pretty interesting because I was like, wait a minute, it's pretty exciting times. So Fuji released the X-T30. That's like a big thing now. Everybody's getting it, and it's supposed to be amazing. I mean, from the specs, from what I've seen in the specs, wow, it's gonna be an awesome camera. So what I want to talk about is so I saved up about $1,000 because I wanted to get a lens. I want to get the 16mm 1.4, and I know that lens goes about $900 to $1,000, and you can find it used for about $800, high $700s. So I wanted to save up and get that lens because I thought, I shoot a lot of video, and that lens will be great because it's an equivalent to a 24, and if you apply the crop factor for the Fuji to the lens at 24 and maybe about a 2.0 2.8 lens. So I wanted to get that lens because I felt it'll help me because I like to shoot wide angles, and for me I consider the 24, anything 24 and under to be wide angle. So but as I was looking into the lens, watching video about the lens, I saw that the lens, the focus was okay, but not a lot of people were saying good things about its video capabilities. Pictures is sharp, it's so I started looking for other options because maybe for the price I don't want to just drop $700 and I don't like the lens. So I started looking for other options, and then maybe looking in the manual realm and see if I can find a manual lens with that, because I did a video showing you my Medicon 35.95 and my 12mm those are both manual lenses, and they're amazing. I love those lenses. I use them all the time. I even use them more than I use the Fuji glass for video, especially when I'm behind the camera, when I can control my focus. So I started looking, and I saw Rokinon had a 16mm T2.2, but that lens cost about $400 going to $500, I mean, on Amazon. And I might as well just put $200 and just get the Fuji, if I was just gonna spend that much on a Rokinon manual focus lens. So I kept searching and I and I came across a guy selling his Bauer 16mm f2.2, and he had it listed for $82, and I was like, okay, well, I guess it's probably gonna go up to about $300-400, so let me just watch it and bid on it maybe the last day. So that's what I did. I watched it, and then the last day I put my bid there. I put my maximum bid at $150. Guess what? Only one person bid on it, and he bid $99, and then he stopped bidding, and guess what? I won that bid. As a matter of fact, hold on. Here is the box it came in. It just came in the mail today, and I opened it just to make sure I wasn't dreaming and it wasn't a box of rocks. So I opened the box. This is what it looks like, and I didn't even know they had a Bauer had a 16mm 2.2 for Fuji, like a Fuji glass. So I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find. I think I saw only one video of something like this for. I didn't even know if it was Fuji. I know it was a Bauer 16mm 2.2, but I don't even know if it was Fuji. So let me show you the lens, and it's pretty quick unboxing. Okay, this is the lens. It just came like with its manual, nothing special in the box. It didn't come with a lens cloth or anything. I'm fine with that. I just wanted the lens. So the lens is, the lens is big. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big lens, but the quality of the lens, I thought it would be like a bad, No, this lens is amazing. I mean, look at this. It's amazing. I love that it has the teeth right here, and I'll talk more about why I really like the fact that it has this the teeth right here. So I'll talk more about it, but I just love it because it's not as heavy as you would think, but you know, and then it has this deep, you know, for it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's really, really deep. So the glass element is not exposed. I mean, you know, I was so shocked. Here, take a look at this. This is it, opening and closing. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, so I decided I'm gonna make this video and, you know, tell you guys about this lens. It has a 72 millimeter, you know, filter thread. So if you want to get like a filter, it's 77, not 72, 77 millimeter filter thread. So, you know, nothing big about this lens. It has this manual markings and, you know, and f2.2 made in Korea, you know. So I really love this lens. That, like, as far as like the build quality of this lens, I mean, I was very surprised by it. And I'm gonna do a couple videos where I shoot with this lens, because this is probably gonna be my go-to lens for video with the gimbal, because, you know, another exciting thing I purchased. So let me finish the story. I'm kind of like everywhere because, you know, but because that lens was so cheap, and because it was just $100, I had $900 to spare. So guess what I did? I'm not going to show you my address, but I bought this. This is a package from DJI, and it's the focus control motor thing. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. And I also got this from Adorama, which is the what's it called, Ninja V, the monitor. So I'm gonna unbox all those. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'll probably cut it short here and just, you know, make a part 2 where I unbox, you know. But those are not the only things I bought. I actually bought these Samsung SSD that I'm gonna be using with the Ninja V. I mean, they're pretty cheap. They're like $140, $150. I got 2 of them. So I got one used and one brand new. So, you know, and with that said, I also got some small rig accessories that I'm gonna use to mount the Ninja V on my Ronin S, which I'm gonna show you guys in the video how I do that. And these are the small rig accessories. And one more exciting thing I just got in the mail. I mean, everything is just coming in. It's so exciting this month. I mean, is this Blind Spot's new Power Junkie. If you don't know what this is, then I don't know where you've been, but this is gonna change the way filmmakers, you know, look at their power usage and, you know, everything. So it's what it is. It uses this those Sony batteries you use for your monitors. You know, I know you have some laying around somewhere, and you can just use a dummy battery to your camera, and then connect it to this, and you just have power for days, and you don't have to worry about power. So this just came in the mail. I supported their Kickstarter last year, and they just sent me my copy. So I don't even know how to. I don't even have the dummy battery for Fuji. So that's probably what I'm gonna get later. But I just wanted to show you guys. You know, I'm gonna unbox that probably in the next video. So let's go to the next video, because this video is already too longer than I wanted it to be. But I'm excited to start unboxing these items and just seeing what everything can do. I mean, but if you guys have any questions about any of this item, please let me know and I will comment. I'm back in town now. I'm gonna start making more videos and trying to pop them out. So, you know, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.